You need to watch this if you love cuddly companions. Rabbits make amazing pets, and here's why. First off, they're super low maintenance. No need for long walks in the park, just a cozy space, fresh hay and regular playtime. Plus, they're incredibly social and love to bond with their humans. Imagine having a fluffy buddy who greets you with wiggles and binkies. That's rabbit joy right there, not to mention they're quiet and perfect for apartment living. No loud barks or meows, just peaceful munching on veggies. And did you know rabbits can be litter trained? Yep, they're as neat as can be. But the best part? They bring so much love and happiness into your home. Watching them hop around and explore is pure entertainment. So why not hop to it and consider adopting a rabbit today? You'll gain a furry friend and a heart full of joy. Adopt a rabbit and let the cuddles begin.